Have you ever felt a quiet whisper, or perhaps a rather loud shout, telling you that your career path might not be as certain as it once was? Maybe you're a professional who's achieved success, yet you feel a growing unease about what's next. Or perhaps you're at a crossroads, wondering if the skills you have today will be enough for tomorrow's demands. In a world changing at lightning speed, feeling stuck or uncertain isn't a personal failing. It's a common experience. The landscape of work is shifting beneath our feet. New technologies emerge daily, industries transform, and global events redefine economic realities. It's natural to feel a sense of uncertainty, even a fear of falling behind. You might be asking yourself, how do I stay relevant? How do I ensure my career isn't just surviving, but thriving in this new era? If these questions resonate with you, then you're in exactly the right place. Welcome to the Reinvention Series. For generations, the career path was often seen as a linear journey. Choose a profession, climb a ladder, and perhaps retire from the same company. That traditional model, however, is now largely obsolete. The idea of a single, lifelong career is becoming a relic of the past. This shift can feel daunting. The fear of obsolescence, the anxiety of job insecurity, and the sheer uncertainty of what skills will matter tomorrow can cast a long shadow. Many of you might feel stuck, sensing the need for change, but unsure how to initiate it, or worried that you're too late to adapt. It's a common challenge, but here at the Future Skills College, we believe it's also an incredible opportunity for growth and transformation. So, how do we navigate this new world? The answer lies in embracing career reinvention, not as a one-time drastic overhaul, but as a continuous, empowering process. Think of it less like a complete career U-turn, and more like a series of strategic pivots, upgrades, and expansions. It's about becoming a lifelong learner and an active architect of your professional journey. Why is reinvention so crucial now? Firstly, technological shifts are fundamentally reshaping industries. Artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced data analytics aren't just tools. They're creating entirely new job categories while rendering others obsolete. Secondly, economic changes are constant. Globalization, evolving consumer demands, and the rise of the gig economy mean traditional employment models are diversifying. But it's not just external forces. The third, and perhaps most powerful driver, is personal growth. As individuals, we evolve. Our values change, our passions ignite, and our definition of fulfillment expands. What brought you satisfaction 5 or 10 years ago might not be enough today. Reinvention allows us to align our professional lives with our evolving selves, leading to greater purpose and sustained engagement. It's about being proactive, not reactive, in shaping your future. Now, let's get practical. To help you begin this exciting journey, I'm going to share a simple yet powerful 3-step blueprint for career reinvention. This isn't about grand gestures. It's about taking concrete, manageable steps. Step 1. The self-assessment. Before you look outward, look inward. What truly drives you? What are your core values? What unique strengths do you possess beyond what's on your CV? What activities ignite your passion, even if they don't seem career-related right now? Ask yourself, what problems do I genuinely enjoy solving? What kind of impact do I want to make? Use tools like personality assessments, journaling, or even simply talking to a trusted mentor. Understanding your inner compass is the foundation for any meaningful reinvention. It's about clarity on who you are and what truly matters to you. Step 2. The market scan. Once you have a clearer picture of yourself, it's time to look at the world around you. This step involves identifying emerging opportunities and understanding where the demand is heading. Read industry reports, follow thought leaders, and explore new sectors. What skills are being highly valued? Which industries are experiencing rapid growth? Don't just look for jobs. Look for trends, problems that need solving, and unmet needs. How do your unique strengths and passions intersect with these evolving market demands? This isn't about chasing fads, but about intelligently anticipating the future. Step 3. The skill gap analysis. With your self-assessment and market scan complete, you can now identify the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Compare your current skill set with the skills required for the emerging opportunities that excite you. Where are the gaps? This isn't about becoming a master of everything, but identifying the key competencies that will empower you to pivot or excel. Whether it's digital literacy, data analysis, critical thinking, or leadership, pinpoint what you need to learn. Remember, the most important skill in today's world is the ability to learn new skills. This mindset, a growth mindset, is your superpower. Embrace the idea that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. These 3 steps form your initial reinvention blueprint. They provide clarity, direction, and a solid foundation for action. Career reinvention is not a luxury. It's a necessity and an incredible source of empowerment. It's about taking control of your professional narrative, adapting with purpose, and discovering new avenues for impact and fulfillment. You have the ability to shape your future, regardless of your past experience or current circumstances. So, here's your reinvention challenge for this week. Take 15 minutes to begin your self-assessment. Grab a pen and paper or open a digital document and simply list your core values, your top 5 strengths, and 3 activities that truly energize you. Don't overthink it, just get started. This small step can be the beginning of profound change. If you found this useful, please like this video, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to the Future Skills College for more practical insights. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into mastering tomorrow's toolkit, essential future skills for success. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep reinventing.